Dewalt DCD771C2 is a compact and lightweight cordless drill driver kit that is perfect for DIY projects around the house. It features a powerful 20V max motor that delivers 300 unit watts out (UWO) of power, making it capable of drilling into a variety of materials, including wood, metal, and plastic. The drill driver also has a 2-speed transmission that allows you to choose the right speed for the job at hand. Pros: compact and lightweight design, powerful 20V max motor, 2-speed transmission, half-an-inch chuck, 300 unit watts out (UWO) of power, LED work light, ergonomic handle, durable construction. Comes with 2 batteries, a charger, and a carrying case. Cons: some users have reported that the chuck can be difficult to tighten and loosen. The battery life is not as long as some other cordless drill drivers. Overall, the Dewalt DCD771C2 is a great cordless drill driver kit for DIY projects around the house. It is powerful, versatile, and easy to use. If you are looking for a reliable and affordable cordless drill driver, the Dewalt DCD771C2 is a great option. Here are some additional things to consider. The Dewalt DCD771C2 is compatible with Dewalt's 20V Max battery system, so you can use it with other Dewalt 20V Max tools. The drill driver comes with a 3-year limited warranty. I would recommend the Dewalt DCD771C2 to anyone who is looking for a compact, powerful, and versatile cordless drill driver. Here are some additional reviews from customers. I love this drill. It is so powerful and easy to use. I have used it to drill into wood, metal, and plastic, and it has never let me down. I highly recommend this product to anyone who is looking for a great cordless drill. Amazon customer. This is the best cordless drill I have ever used. It is lightweight, powerful, and has a long battery life. I use it all the time for DIY projects around the house, and it has never let me down. I highly recommend this product to anyone who is looking for a reliable and affordable cordless drill. Home Depot customer. I am so glad I bought this drill. It is amazing. It is so easy to use, and it makes DIY projects so much easier. I highly recommend this product to anyone who is looking for a great cordless drill. Lowe's customer.